My name is Kara Bushimi, and I'm a National Merit Scholar.
My name is Rebecca Rabonis. I'm a National Merit Scholar.
My name is Ryan Scup. I'm a National Merit Scholar.
My name is Nadia Sial, and I'm a National Merit Scholar. My work focuses on studying the genetic and pharmacological mechanisms of neuroprotection. So I can use the fruit fly to model ways to protect neuronal function from oxidative stress. I chose FAU. I really chose it because of the research opportunities, the academic opportunities, and really the community. What I love most about FAU is really the amount of opportunities that I have here in terms of doing research, volunteering, pursuing my passion, going to medical school. So that's really ultimately why I chose FAU and what I value most.
I'm a member of the Wong Lab at the Max Planck Florida Institute for Neuroscience, and I've been in the Wong Lab since last November, which was my first semester here at FAU. In our lab, we're currently studying the neuronal mechanisms of episodic memory. I began with electrophysiological analysis of a technique called spike sorting, and in that I utilized manual clustering and algorithm software. And currently, I am working on imaging of mice brain scans, which is going to involve training mice to produce their own internally generated memory. The Max Planck program has been an incredible opportunity for me here as an undergraduate student at FAU. I feel very blessed to be a part of the Max Planck Honors Program and be able to practice research in one of the most world-renowned research institutions in the world.
I found that there was a lot of opportunities here to get involved in and a great support network for the teachers and advisors here and mentors that would help me along my way. I found opportunities to get involved in high-level research and exposure into world-class research through the Max Planck Honors Program. I got to personally talk to Carla Schatz, the first woman to get her neuroscience PhD from Harvard. There are so many opportunities to meet amazing people and have amazing experiences to get you more excited about science.
I'd say what I like about FAU is just that there's a lot of opportunities for students who are really motivated to go and find such opportunities. Plus you have lots of great professors. I feel I've probably become a better student, just being as a researcher. I do neuroscience research, epilepsy. So what I do is I work with these microscopic worms called C. elegans. You can treat them with certain drugs. They can be anti-epileptic drugs, or they can be proconvulsants, and you can basically see okay, what effect do these drugs have on their time to recover from the seizures?
I work in a research lab at the Scripps Research Institute in Jupiter, Florida, mapping the genetic basis of neurofibromatosis. I chose FAU because I was lucky enough to be able to dual enroll here throughout my high school experience, and by the time that it came to college, it really was a no-brainer. I really felt like I was somewhere that I belonged, somewhere that I really loved it, so I decided to stay here because I was happy. My favorite part about FAU is the community that I'm a part of. It really feels like I'm home when I'm here.
I'm originally from New York, so my experience is probably a little unusual compared to most people my age. I mean, I started at FAU when I was 15, so obviously things are going to be a little different, and despite all of that, it was still a very welcoming atmosphere, and everybody was just so kind and welcoming. And it isn't about my age, it's about me as a person, me as a neuroscience major, now me as a researcher, and to be me as a med student. Dr. Robichaud, who's the Dean of Research for the College of Medicine, and she's just been an incredible mentor to me, and learning from all of these incredible people, it's just been an amazing opportunity that I don't know if I would have had if I had gone elsewhere. I'm working on a project right now with Dr. Robichaud in which we're looking at the genetic basis of opioid addiction. It's hard not to love the location of FAU, but the atmosphere. It's diverse, everyone is just so welcoming, and it's an amazing place to be with the people that I'm learning with.